Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth is not working into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to come over at your settings. You can see we are now in settings, and now if you go for Bluetooth and device, you can see that my Bluetooth is turned off. So I'm going to turn it on. So you can see over that these images photo is connected to my Bluetooth. So now what you're going to do, we're going to remove it, like click on remove device. I'm going to click on this add device option, and there will be an add device window slowly pops up. Click on Bluetooth. After that, you can see they're suggesting my images Pro 2, so click on that and you can see that it's connected. So this is how we can solve this problem, but if it's not solved yet, then just come over at the search option and search for services. Click on services. So here you can see your services is opened, and now if you scroll down a little bit and you'll find Bluetooth support service. So click on that, click on your right mouse button and go for properties. After that, click on stock and then click start and click on OK. This time your problem will be solved. If it's not yet, then come over at the start icon, go over this power button and restart your device. Sometimes refreshing your PC will be solved your problem. But if it's not solved yet, then you just need to change the device and try to add a new device, Bluetooth connected. Try to add a new device to connect, and I hope this problem will be solved. So this is how you can fix your Bluetooth not working into your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.